celebrated in pre-primary schools, where young children immerse themselves in a world of creativity and fun, all centered around the color blue. This special day is not only enjoyable, but also educational, as it helps children learn about colors in a playful manners. In the days leading up to Blue Color Day, teachers and staff decorate the school premises with blue-themed decorations, such as blue balloons, streamers, and posters featuring various shades of blue. The classrooms are adorned with blue artwork created by the children, adding to the festive atmosphere. Children are encouraged to dress in shades of blue for the occasion. From blue dresses and shirts to blue pants and skirts, the school becomes a sea of blue as everyone participates in the spirit of the day. Blue art and craft. Children engage in various art and craft activities using blue materials such as blue paper, paint, and glitter. They create beautiful blue-themed artwork, including paintings, collages, and handprints, showcasing their artistic talents. Blue Show and Tell. Children bring in blue-colored objects from home to share with their classmates during a special show and tell session. This activity encourages communication skills and promotes sharing and cooperation among the children. Blue Story. Time teachers read aloud colorful storybooks with blue-themed illustrations, captivating the children's attention and sparking their interest in storytelling and literacy. Blue Snack Time. A special snack time is organized with blue-colored treats such as blueberries, blue jelly, and blue-colored drinks, adding a tasty twist to the celebration. Blue Color Day in pre-primary schools is not just about celebrating a color. It's about fostering creativity, imagination, and a love for learning in young children. As they immerse themselves in a day filled with blue-themed activities, they create cherished memories and lay the foundation for a lifelong appreciation of colors.